Hey there, this is Kokon from WPBravo. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install a WordPress website on NameCheap. This tutorial will be 100% beginner friendly, so if you are not a technical person or if you are very new on WordPress, don't worry, you can do that. Not only that, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get a free web hosting from NameCheap. So without wasting any time, let's get started. To install a WordPress website, we need two things, domain and hosting.
We are gonna learn what is domain and hosting. Beginners usually mix this domain and hosting concept. I believe I can give you the clear idea about domain and hosting. First of all, let's learn what is domain. A domain name is a unique address used to access website. We know Facebook URL is facebook.com. Like this, Google has google.com. Facebook.com is a unique address. There has no another website with this name around the world. Facebook.com and google.com is domain name here. Now, let's try to understand what is hosting. You bought a domain, that means you bought a name for your website. After buying website name, your website will not be visible. To visible your website, you need a space to store your web files like PHP files, HTML files, images, etc. Where you put all your web files, that's called hosting, web hosting or web server.
Now I need a domain to install a WordPress website. To do that, let's get a domain first. I want to buy the safemom.com domain for one of my clients. Let's see if this domain is available. Yes, this domain is available and I have to pay around $9 to buy this domain. Click Add to Cart. Then click to Confirm Order. After adding my card info, I will click to Pay Now. And within this first part, domain registration process is done. Scroll down. You will see they are asking about your next step. I will install WordPress. So I'll click to Get Started to set up a WordPress website. Click to New Website. Here we have to name our website. Remember, this is not a domain. This will be the title of our website. I'll keep it just SafeMom. Then click to Continue. Now I have to choose a plan to host our website. If you run a portfolio website or a blog, then Starter or Turbo plan is more than enough. All package has facility to host your website for free for the first month. So this is the best for who want to see NameCheap hosting performance. If you feel well on their hosting server after 1 month, you can continue, otherwise you can move your website anywhere you want. But in my experience, I have seen NameCheap is the best hosting for the money. So without any doubt, you can host your website there. I'll put a discount link in my video description, hope you will check that. Okay, let's come to the work. I will choose Turbo plan and I will bill annually. If I do that, I will get a big discount too. Then click to Continue. Now I have to choose my domain. I can assign domain from NameCheap or any other provider easily. As my domain is on NameCheap, so I will select this. Then I have to select the domain where I want to install WordPress. Let's find the safemom.com. Then click to Continue. Now I have chosen the design for my website. I can do that later. This is why I just click to Continue. Now here I have to choose necessary plugin for my website. I will select Yoast SEO. This is one of the best SEO plugin around the world. Now click to Continue. Now I have to review my process. Let's see if everything is correct. Yes, my friend, everything is correct. Now I will click to Continue to Process. I have to select my payment method. Then confirm payment. Within a minute, I will get a WordPress install ready website. Done. Our website is live. We can check that anywhere from the world. And this is how our website is looking now. Now I will work to design this blog that I will share you with another video. Are you looking for a developer to design your WordPress blog? I am the right person here. I have more than 12 years experience in this field. I will design your WordPress blog for free. Don't you believe this? I have only one condition. Check that in video description. So this is how you can install a WordPress website on NameCheap. Hope this video helped you. If you love this video, hit the thumbs up. let me know if you have any questions. Hope to see you in the next tutorial. Till then, take care. Thank you.